누군가를 보자마자 망설임 없이 총을 쏘는 한 남자. 다른 남자도 지지 않고 총을 쏘기 시작합니다.
I should have.
Who did?
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It's Joe.
What?
We see fuck in the little body shop. If it's got pictures, everything, I'll bring you to it.
과연 이 남자들은 누구이며 무슨 관련이 있었던 걸까요? 데스위 씨, 지금 바로 시작합니다.
Shots fired at the police. We have an officer down.
Have a trauma surgeon meet us at the ER entrance. We can do it. Stay awake. Come on, stay with me, man. Don't close your eyes. Somebody help me! Get Dr. Kersey now!
Dr. Kersey, you needed in Trauma 1.
Academy train now. 5 units of Onigs. Death, 12:24 a.m.
Not even 6 minutes. I couldn't go any faster.
We did everything we could. Sorry.
Now you're gonna go save the animal that shot him?
If I can.
하루가 지나고 포른 거실에서 자신의 시계를 만지고 있는데
They said 9. Hi, baby. You want some breakfast?
Starving. Want some eggs? Yes, please.
Noise upstairs. Did you hear anything?
I heard something. What was that?
Thank you. I got in. Sophie, see if she got in.
I'm happy. Really.
Yeah?
다음 날 딸의 축구 경기를 보며 이야기를 나누는 폴과 루시.
Dad was happy when I wanted to leave Texas to go to college.
Hey, that was cleats up! Bullshit pass, Brianna. You know that.
And we get to go to New York City.
But you
Foul! That's another foul! Right!
Take it easy, pal. You're gonna give yourself a heart attack.
I wasn't talking to you, Lakeshore Drive.
Just dial down the language. There's kids here.
I would just shut the fuck up if I were you.
Shut up.
Say it again. Come on, funny guy. Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Stop it.
Get your wife to defend you.
All right. All right.
이후 가족들과 함께 식사를 하게 되죠.
you whoop this guy's butt?
Yeah, your dad was a scrapper.
Wait, hold on.
Tell her.
I used to fight with my dad.
Oh.
Still love you, Dad.
You should take Krav Maga.
Maybe I already know it. Jordan.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, this one. Watch out.
So I'm gonna start going there.
그렇게 식사를 마치고 식당을 나서는 가족들.
How much?
$2,000.
It's okay. All right, thanks, man.
He's got the money, not me.
It's the fun.
At 8 o'clock, okay?
Strip. See you guys.
그런데 이때 발렛 기사가 폴의 차를 탔고 그의 집 주소를 휴대폰으로 찍는 수상한 행동을 보입니다. 그리고 약속 당일 폴에게 한 통의 전화가 걸려오고
Oh, and who is this calling? Hi, Susan. Yes, he's right here.
I was just trying on my birthday present. Yeah, see you soon.
I'll go tell Uncle Frank.
Said on that translate shake cake.
I know, me too.
We will celebrate tomorrow night.
Try and stay awake.
Okay, I will.
결국 긴급 수술 호출로 출근하게 된 폴. 아내와 딸은 식사를 마치고 집으로 옵니다. 그런데 수상한 차량 한 대가 집 근처에 서 있는데
Postmates LaFonda, it's so much easier.
Actually made the effort. We did the work. Honey, could you get me my iPad? I think it's upstairs on the nightstand.
Sure.
조던이 2층으로 올라가던 그때 수상한 그림자가 문 밖에 서 있었죠. 그리고 닫혀있던 창문은 어느새 열려 있는데
Jordan, please come down here. I need it. Come down here right now.
Back, my mom's being a total psycho.
The fucking phone down right now.
Don't hurt her, please.
Here's what's gonna happen. No, if you could do that, nobody gets hurt.
Okay. Don't hurt her.
It's okay, Mom. Just do it. Just go.
Let me move. Don't get amnesia on me. No, you can do it. And then we're done.
곧이어 금고를 열어 도둑이 가져온 가방에 담기 시작하는 루시. 한편
Where's the rope, girl? Check the garage.
도둑 중 한 명이 창고에 간 사이
You play sports?
다른 한 명은 조던을 겁탈하려 하는데 곧이어
Hey, what the fuck is your rush, bro?
It's not that kind of a party, all right?
You motherfucker! She can see your fucking face!
Jordan, run!
Fuck it!
잠시 후
Trauma. 2 incoming
Simone, would you mind closing, please?
폴은 동료에게 아내와 딸의 사고 소식을 듣게 되고
Where is she?
They took your daughter up to surgery, Doc.
Your wife's in too.
Paul, we did everything we could.
Our passports, Jordan's birth certificate, Stanford class ring, 2 Panerai watches on the desk.
Are there any firearms in the house?
No.
Well, assholes break into my house looking for mine.
Break-ins along the North Shore, so we're looking at the possibility.
These are just burglaries, so.
Just burglaries.
You know, I get that you're upset. It's my card.
Thank you, Detective Rance.
Thanks for your time.
Dr. Kersey, your daughter's out of surgery.
폴은 동생 프랭크와 함께 조던의 병실로 자리를 옮기죠. 다음 날
I love you so much. We'll see you soon, kiddo.
아내의 장례식장에 참석한 폴. 이후 장인어른과 함께 차를 타고 이동하게 되고
Thank you, Paul, for bringing her home. Have the police gotten anywhere?
Police seem pretty confident.
루시의 아버지는 도중에 차를 세우더니 무언가를 주시하며 다시 어딘가로 향합니다.
Poachers. People rely on the police. Police only arrive after the crime, trapping the fox coming out of the hen house. So protects what's his. He has to do it for himself.
다음 날 폴은 심리 상담을 받게 되고
I can't sleep in our bed. I feel like I'm in purgatory. I used to ride the trains to avoid my father. Just riding the trains, just to think. I could say everything I see reminds me of Lucy, but everything I see reminds me of them, the men who came and took her from me. But it's hard to escape the feeling that I failed. Failed to protect my wife. Failed to protect my daughter.
And it's gonna take time.
I know it's a process. Starting to wonder about the result.
고민 끝에 사건을 맡은 루인 형사를 찾아갑니다.
Yeah, I'm here to see Detective Raines.
Detective Raines, do you have an appointment, sir?
Hey, Dr. Kersey. Dr. Kersey, come on back.
CCA?
Cleared. Closed by arrest.
So all these other ones are open cases?
I don't talk to the cops. That's why these stay open. Want to see?
What if I offered some kind of reward?
Me and my partner are gonna have to waste time tracking them down.
What about a private investigator?
Murder case, they'll just take your money.
So there's nothing that I can do? Is that what you're saying?
You can have faith.
How'd faith work out for them?
하지만 별다른 성과 없이 집으로 되돌아가는데 그 순간
Red ball, got you. Where your baby? Where you going? Hey, just leave her alone. Who the fuck you think you are?
그는 무차별적 폭행을 당했고 힘겹게 집에 돌아온 그는 TV 속 광고를 보게 됩니다.
I don't shoot to kill, I shoot to stay alive. When seconds count, cops are minutes away. Special on our tactical furniture.
잠시 후
First gun, come on back, let me show you around. Beyond this wall are all of our rifles, and all of our used weapons are right here. Not used in crimes, obviously, but, you know, used. We'll get you set up with your FOID application right here today in safety class, but don't worry, no one ever fails. You can do that anytime within 30 days of the time period you're waiting for your city permit, and we can set you up with a gun safe. Those bullets can be traced right back to you.
And I'll come back.
Great, just ask for Bethany.
다시 병원으로 긴급 호출을 받은 폴. 그는 환자가 떨어뜨린 권총을 몰래 챙기게 되고
This is the Glock 17. They put it back together by simply reversing the steps. Slide the release forward.
I hit the sand! I bet you know I can't be hanging around. I can't be living on the shop. I'm lying. Can't say it's fair. Yes,
그러던 어느 날 딸 조던이 발작을 일으켰다는 연락을 받게 되죠.
Is she gonna be okay?
The only thing we know for sure is that our odds get less every day. She's in handcuffs or out there. Free.
그날 저녁 폴은 총을 들고 거리로 나섰고 때마침 차를 훔치려는 도둑들과 마주하게 되는데 그때 그 광경을 한 여성이 핸드폰으로 찍기 시작하였고 폴은 바닥에 떨어진 총을 찾기 시작했죠. 바로 그 순간
It's okay. It's okay. Get out of here.
드디어 경찰이 출동하였고 그는 조용히 자리를 떠납니다.
I didn't know him. He just came out of nowhere. Like a guardian angel.
I heard that girl screaming.
What about the shooter?
He looked like a white dude. He had a hoodie. He kept waving his hand around like this. I mean, you've seen as much as I did.
And that is the slide because he doesn't know how to hold a gun. Natasha, listen, we're gonna need you to posting on social media and all that stuff you guys do.
Uploaded that shit hours ago. I'm getting hits like a motherfucker.
다음 날 아침 자신의 영상이 인터넷에 올라왔다는 사실을 알게 된 폴은 라디오를 통해 영상에 대한 사람들의 반응까지 듣게 되는데
The water cooler talk today on the Mancow show shot these bad guys, these carjackers. Good or bad, I don't know. I go back and phones are lit up like a Christmas tree.
He is a hero.
이후 경찰에게 들키지 않기 위해 다친 손을 치료하기 시작합니다. 그리고
This poor kid got shot on the way to school.
Hi, Tyler. I'm Dr. Kersey. I'm here to look at your wound. Is that all right? I have my little flashlight pen. Well, that must have hurt.
The ice cream had on it. He said next time it ain't gonna be my leg.
Tyler, you are gonna be all right. I promise.
폴은 곧장 타일러를 다치게 한 아이스크림 맨을 찾기 위해 거리로 나서는데
Denisha? Word? Yo, that was next level business.
You're the ice cream man?
Who the fuck are you?
Customer.
He was white.
Let me guess, white guy with a hoodie.
Yeah, exactly.
Nine witnesses, one story. The Grim Reaper. You really think it's the same shooter?
What hand does he shoot with?
Hold up.
그렇게 저승사자라는 별명이 붙은 폴. 경찰들은 범인을 찾아내기 위해 안간힘을 쓰게 됩니다.
Could there be a vigilante in Chicago? The Chicago Grim Reaper, white male in his mid to late 30s.
Grim Reaper has taken out drug dealers part of the problem. You're going to side with the ice cream man?
It's a slippery slope. Kill somebody that they think is doing something wrong.
Houston, Detroit, New York.
We assume the carjacking was random.
We also know he's left-handed. First shooting, lack of basic weapon skills.
Wow. Detectives, get off your fucking asses.
He's pissed.
한편
Charged.
Clear.
응급실에서 한 남자를 치료하던 중 그의 시계를 보고 놀라는 폴. 그건 자신이 갖고 있던 시계와 동일한 모델이었죠. 곧바로 폴은 남자가 타고 온 구급차를 뒤지기 시작하는데 그렇게 남자의 휴대폰 잠금을 풀고 시계를 챙긴 뒤 자리를 벗어나는 폴은 사무실에 들어와 남자의 휴대폰을 확인하죠. 바로 그때 자신의 집 주소가 담긴 사진과 훔친 물건을 팔려던 장소까지 알게 됩니다.
What? And her dad, who doesn't return my texts? You sleeping better? Because I gotta tell you, you still look like shit. What's up with
That's
your hand?
nothing. It's a scratch. Leave it alone. What, some help?
This is the 2000 I owed you. Here you go.
Frank.
Later, man.
그날 저녁 사진 속 장소로 찾아간 폴.
Hey, buddy, you can't be back here.
Miguel sent me.
Who the fuck is Miguel?
He works as a valet at my restaurant.
He works for you.
Yes. Said you could help me find a gift for my wife.
Yeah, all right, sit down. So you're looking for something...
Panerai watches?
Just let me check the reserve collection over here.
Drop it.
You killed my wife! Look, I told you!
Shut up.
It's all here. What is this? What is this bullshit?
All right, it's all there.
You see this? You know what it is, don't you? It was on my wife's arm. I hope it was worth it, asshole.
If I knew it was your shit, I wouldn't have taken it, man.
그때 누군가가 가게 안으로 들어오고
Who did?
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It's Joe.
What?
We see fucking auto body shop. It's got pictures of the I'll bring you to.
이후 CCTV에 찍힌 자신의 모습을 없애기 위해 녹화 저장 장치를 파괴하죠. 다음 날 약품을 하나씩 챙기기 시작하고
How you doing? Sorry to drop in like this.
I'm happy to see you guys. Have a seat.
Have you ever seen this man?
No?
We believe involved in your wife's shooting.
But this ring at the crime scene.
That's my ring.
It's the break we've been waiting for.
Cell phone records, his text, even the phone's GPS.
And I wanted to come by in person to give you the good news. Thanks for your time.
그렇게 루인 형사와 동료는 병원을 떠나고 폴은 도둑들의 휴대폰을 모두 파괴한 뒤 조가 있는 정비소로 향하죠.
You're Joey, right?
Who the fuck are you?
Get me the fuck out of here! Fuck are you?
I'm just gonna help you. Now, right back here. Don't move. Notice strongest nerve in the body.
You're that doctor?
Your friend Fish is already dead. What I want to know.
No one, man.
What you're feeling to a nerve. You got a shit ton of breakthrough here.
Knox! That's his name, Knox!
Where do I find Knox?
I don't even fucking know him!
I believe you, Joe.
또 다른 범인을 처리한 뒤 병원에 도착한 폴. 그때 한 통의 전화가 걸려오죠.
I hear you looking for me. It's Club off Ashland. I'll be waiting, and I want to tell you what your wife's last words were.
폴은 약속한 클럽에 도착해 녹스를 찾기 시작하는데
I need 50 balls of grain. I was at a nothing, my nigga. I might sneeze on your pink.
부상을 입은 폴은 어렵게 클럽을 빠져나오고 같은 시각
What?
We're on our way. Then got shot himself. Ran out in the crowd.
Reports they have no one matching the shooters to Chicago North. He says he saw the shooter.
그렇게 병원에 도착한 두 사람.
Did you see the shooter?
Yeah, I did.
Can you describe him to us?
한편 총상을 치료하기 시작하고 치료를 마무리한 그는 알리바이를 위해 곧장 집으로 향하죠.
What are we gonna do? Shoot me too?
Don't you judge me! I'm not judging you! Then somebody has to do it, and there's no consequences. I made a life for my family. Frank, I don't want you to be part of this.
그 순간 경찰이 폴의 집에 도착하는데
We're expecting your brother.
Dinner party. Why, what's up?
Well, he could be in real trouble.
Like I said, when I see him, I'll tell him.
He's in there.
Where's your car?
Near the hospital. Let's see. Thank you. I'll be right there.
조던이 깨어났다는 소식을 듣고 프랭크와 함께 병원으로 이동하는 폴.
Daddy, where is she? Please, Dad, where is she?
Oh, jeez.
Hey,
How's she doing?
she just found out her mother died. Physically, I can take her home in a week.
You know that we got her back. It's a miracle. Not this other thing, not this other guy. You.
It's over.
그렇게 조던은 퇴원을 하게 되죠.
Hey, hold that. You going home?
I'm going home.
Well, I'm going home too.
What happened to you?
I got shot.
Take care.
I'll see you around, Dr. Kersey.
며칠 뒤 조던은 점점 안정을 찾아가고 다시 평범한 일상을 되찾기 시작합니다. 그리고 그날 저녁
Dad, the kitchen's clean. I'm going to bed.
누군가 집 근처를 서성이는데
Because I need you
Putting me under the stairs,
to call
Dad.
the cops
Where are you
right
gonna go?
now. Do not come out. Stay in there.
Sit down.
Dad! Dad!
Is that your little girl? Oh, you ever hear someone crazy?
So you're saying you got Andy shot in the shoulder tonight?
That's what happened.
What about a Glock?
I decided to get rid of it.
Bought these guns?
The day my daughter came home.
Well, I got everything I need. You defended your family like any man would.
Thanks for everything.
이후 평온한 나날을 보냈고 조던은 대학에 입학하게 되죠.
Anything. I'm just 3 stops away.
Got the number. Well, you can go now.
Bye, baby.
그렇게 폴의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마무리가 됩니다. 재미있게 보셨다면 구독과 좋아요 부탁드리겠습니다.